sharing his cake with baby Claire. Her Lassie. She came over here to get some cake. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, baby Claire. Here she comes. Here she comes.
Oh, watch your drink, Luke.
I got it.
Justin, don't laugh at me.
Ooh, that's pretty good, Uncle John. I think I'll have another bite. Oh,
Ethan
so hard
Alexander.
sometimes.
Ethan Alexander.
No.
Let's do this. I bark and wag my tail.
I see
Who barks and
you.
wags their tail?
I see you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Which pair of
boy.
shoes is in the middle?
Uh-oh. Oh, boy.
In this picture.
Oh,
Which pair of
boy.
shoes is in the middle?
Oh,
The
boy.
middle pair. Is this one in the middle?
Taking another bite.
What's that? What machine is she using? What is that?
Here, last one, baby.
What is that?
Last one.
Well,
It's all gone.
yeah,
Last
I
one.
guess. What is that? What has a keyboard? What is that? Computer.
Oh, where'd it go?
Oh, it has the answers right next. Seriously, answers.
Where'd it go?
Which one is blue and green? Which one has blue and green? Find the blue one. And does that one have green on it? Okay.
She took the cake away. Luke, careful.
Ethan, what's this one? What's this? No, it's an A. A for apple. Who drives the sleigh? Who is that with the reindeer? Santa.
What is it, Luke? Binoculars? Is it binoculars?
You want Luke's? Oh goodness.
Oh boy.
What is in there? You sure? Try it.
Apple juice, yeah.
Hey, you want to watch the town Christmas Forgot? A stranded family helps
I
residents
want to watch the goddamn football games. Bowl season.
organize a Christmas
No, not yet. I think you have enough toys out
No, I
there.
want to watch goddamn football.
Oh, there
Bowl
goes
season.
Claire.
Say hi to Nanu. Say hi, Nanu. Say hi.
Hi, baby boy. Oh, where'd Claire go?
She's all the way over here.
Oh, she follows her mommy.
Yep.
How much shingles you got on there?
She
Put it in our
goes.
fridge.
What kind of question?
Pretty sure. Everyone's going. Brown wood. That's the first thing I thought of when I saw this house.